Everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's again Bilal Khalid. Guys, right now we have cash counter machine, and if ever you got cash counter machine and the money is stuck inside, how to release the money without being damaged the money cash paper. Okay, so I think all over the world there is the same type of machines there. We put the cash over here and it will count the cash counting machine. It will count the cash. So if ever you got stuck in the money, got stuck inside, you have to open the back door over here. This is the two screws over back door. If the cameraman will zoom the machine, first of all remove the power also, so it will not damage. Okay, this is the power. You cannot get money over here, but there are two rollers down over there. You have to rotate the roller, and you will see over here. Look, if when I will rotate the roller, the money will come. Suppose it will come out. You can with your hand rotate the roller, you will get money back. This is the way. Don't ever try to use the tweezer to get take money out. Okay, ever you got stuck, just open the back cover from here and rotate these two rollers. Rotate these two rollers, and then you will get money rewind or forward. This is the method only, and you can use this machine back. If you have any other question regarding cash counter machine, you can ask down in the comments. I will reply your question. Thank you for watching. All the best.